Hi. So I'm gonna be filming her. So yeah, she's making purple slime.
Add a little boost. You never know, you need more. You never know. You need more glitter. You need the paint too. You need a big scoop of pink. And then you definitely need blue. Because blue. This might turn out oops, blue. Well, get pink out of it. Let's just go like this.
You just mix them.
Let's take that out. Shut this. And turn this over. And we will get that pink out. I have to stir this for a second, see if it's actually going to turn out as just blue.
Use their popsicles.
I'm using this, and then I need a popsicle stick. This is actually turning out as a blue. Oh gosh, this is sinking. I am not touching that. Because last time it was a big mess. Were we actually filming that?
Wait, so we just made another blue slime?
I'm trying to make it pink, but we ran out of pink. And that's okay. You never know. You always need too much color. Let's add some clear in there. Nope, that won't do anything except make it worse.
Yeah, the clear one looked like snot.
Yeah, I really, that would be funny.
I had a big sneeze.
I had a big sneeze.
There's our assistant.
Yeah, she's helping us. Yep. Yep, we having no pink. You know you have a whole pack, whole lid through.
There's nothing up there.
Oh.
That's it. That's the best you're gonna get.
And it's still blue.
Hopefully it turns out the color of that popsicle stick.
Looks blue.
Well, it looked purple.
I need time more glitter.
You can never go too much on the glitter.
Good.
See, she just had double.
You never know. I never have too much glitter next to you. I'm ready. Then we have our assistant here pouring in the borax. And I should be doing this on Jane's mat, because my mat is a mess. We need more.
Unicorn.
Look at this.
This is dangerous.
Oh gosh!
You have to step back, unicorn.
See, there we go. There's purple right there. Unicorn is keeping my foot warm. There we go. Unicorn's back up.
Yeah, unicorn's back. It's a new unicorn.
Yeah. We need more.
Oh, I made slime one time at school and put it in the bag. It was pink slime. And I put it in the bag, and then the next day, it just stuck there.
Then you never found it again. You never touched it again. It feels like a pig's, like Oh, I need a little bit more.
Yeah, just keep stirring it.
Okay, fine. Okay, well, nothing's doing. Okay, I'm getting there. We just need like a hint more. Like 2 drops. There we go. See, that 2 drops would have done something.
Oh. You're spraying it everywhere.
I know. That's good. I need slime everywhere. This blue slime is epic.
It was supposed to be purple.
But then we ran out of pink. Did we keep that pink slime? Oh, we did. Ha ha ha.
I'm gonna make a non-funny joke. So, the slime didn't end up purple. Why is that? They didn't have enough pink. Ha ha.
That actually kind of rhymed.
Oh, it just rolled down her apron.
Pink and blue. Pink, purple. They rhyme. I don't know why I said rhyme, but they both start with P. It's slime! Ready? This is putty. This is
Why did the slime not turn out purple?
Because it's blue. Ha ha ha. Ha.
Because they ran out of pink.
You know what? What does purple and pink make?
Blue.
How'd you know?
I don't know.
Because purple and pink. You can make a bee out of it. Bee. Blue. Ha ha. Dad's gonna hate us.
He doesn't care. It's your freaking mat.
Well, okay.
We're spraying.
Well, we are getting more. Yeah, we're gonna clean this whole thing.
We are
getting
getting
2 more mats this Christmas. That's
we
what
are getting more. You were like, we are getting more.
See, we aren't, because the slime.
What the hell is that piece of hair?
It's from our unicorn! It's our unicorn.
Look at it. Look at it. It's from the unicorn.
Ready, Jean? Now bring it over. Ready, Jean? Now bring it over.
Oh,
no,
God.
not the feathers. Bring the phone over. Jean, it's really cool.
Oh.
It looks like the moon. It actually.
Yeah.
Oh, you got the smell. So I wish you guys could smell this. It actually smells like it doesn't smell like it actually. Ah. Ready, Jaden? Ready? We're gonna film.
Let me get in.
Stupid. Now put it right here. Okay, put the phone right there. Okay, now hold it. Now hold it right there. Ready? Move your finger. Move your finger. There we go. Ready?
Oh shoot!
Oh shoot! It didn't touch the carpet.
It started to sink in. I was like,
Oh wait, ready? We're gonna stick this out, and we're gonna make a little hole. Ready? We're gonna make it into a ball. Add a little hole. Add a little stick. Ready? And ready? And roll. And roll. I thought you were Dad for a second. I was like, I shouldn't be doing this.
I shouldn't be
We're gonna
doing.
be cleaning this mat after, so if you guys want to see us cleaning this mat, we are gonna show you. So
We're gonna name it "Cleaning the Mat" after slime.
the mat.
The map.
No, the mat. Stupid water.
Oh,
Slime to beat water.
don't!
Busted! Slime versus water. Busted! Gene, you're gonna ruin your socks. And that's so dumb. We need a container for our slime!
Now your dad's probably gonna bring it down and go like.
Ho, ho, ho. Long Christmas.
So yeah, here's our slime.
Don't let that touch the ground.
Why would you put it on the slime cap?
Guys.
Oh yeah, see, this one turns out
They
non-sticky.
can't even see it.
This one turns out non-sticky, but mine it keeps going sticky. Like, it doesn't make sense. What are you doing? Could you do me a favor and put my apron on it?
I know, I'm so good at yelling.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Container.
Ready?
Oh my god.
Put it on this mat because this mat you can wipe it off.
Nope. Ready?
But we decide to do it on this.
Get it off!
You waited too long.
Alright. Start somehow wiping it off.
Yeah, we are gonna clean it. Toodle noodle, and this part
Toodle
two is
noodle.
This is part 2 of 3. Toodle noodle!
Part 3. Toodle noodle.
No, yeah. This is
Toodle noodle. Toodle. Toodle.